Our website is gone! Who deleted it?
Booth 7, our lucky booth.
This box weighs more than me. Then put it down. We're already late.
I checked our backup files. They are safe. I checked who can enter our system. Everything looks normal.
You are saying everything is fine, but your face looks worried.
I always feel worried right before something goes wrong.
This is our backup computer to the internet.
Are you sure nobody can hack it?
I am 100% sure.
Our hackathon website is ready
For today's festival, the levels, scores, and hints are all working.
Should I tell you a secret? Do you want the website link? Enjoy and explore it.
It is
Mimi, presentation practice.
coming!
Good morning, everyone. I brought a copy of the Atlas Core so we can test it safely today.
This laptop is separate from our network. Any problem will stay here.
So it is a little computer island. I will watch for anything strange.
Follow the guide bot. It knows the right way.
This is so boring. I'll take the shortcut. This will be much faster. What did I open? Move back!
It is searching our website.
Found it.
Stop the test! I found it. Locking it now. Did we stop it? I think so.
Take down their website. They will miss the festival.
Our website is disappearing. The phantom key escaped.
This was only the beginning.